Bonjour, bonjour les amis, je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. I'm so happy that you could join us today. Going to have a great lesson. It's all about learning letter sounds and how to put them together. Before we begin, can you say bonjour Ananas? Bonjour Ananas. Can you say it a bit louder? Bonjour Ananas. Here she is. And Ananas is a special friend of our class who helps us learn our sounds. So let's get started, les amis. On commence. We're going to choose a color today. Une couleur. Can you repeat them after me? Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, noir. Which color should we pick today? Does a friend want to pick today? On va choisir orange. OK, on va aller avec orange. On choisit orange aujourd'hui. So this series is called French with Ananas, and this is lesson 2.7 E sound, leçon 2.7 son E. Let's get started, my friends. So before we go into learning all our sounds and how to put them together, we're just going to review our E sound words. I hope that you remember them. Now, the best way to keep remembering them is to say them out loud. Can you say them out loud with me? Cerise, cerise, renard, renard, cheval, cheval, melon, melon, chemise, chemise, enveloppe, enveloppe, cheveux, cheveux, portefeuille, portefeuille, peluche, peluche, genou, genou. Bravo! Let's keep going. That's great remembering. Céleri, céleri, perle, perle, porte-clés, porte-clés, fenêtre, fenêtre, chemin, chemin, tangerine, tangerine, tournevis, tournevis, tasse à mesurer, tasse à mesurer, bac de recyclage, bac de recyclage, requin, requin. Bravo, mes amis. Good job. So this is the part where we learn how to put sounds together. Is this going to be fun, Anana? Oui. Lots of fun. And my friends, I hope that you are able to repeat the sounds out loud because you learn them much faster that way. So we'll begin with this letter. What sound does this letter make? B, b, b. So we'll say B avec un E makes B. They are friends and they become just one sound. B. Bravo. This letter makes which sound? It makes this sound. S, s, s. Avec un E. S avec un E fait se. Se. D, d, d avec un E fait de. De. F, f, f avec un E fait feu. Feu. G, g, g avec un E fait ge. Ge. Bravo. Now, my friends, do you remember something special about the letter H? La lettre H? There's something very special. Do you remember? Here's your clue. Shh. It doesn't make a sound. Lettre H doesn't make a sound. The only time it makes a sound is when it's together with C, and then they make the sh sound. But when it's on its own, sh, H never makes a sound. So this is no sound. Avec un E makes E. That's all. J, j, j avec un E fait je. Je. K, k, k. Avec un E, fait que. Que. L avec un E, fait le. Le. M avec un E, fait me. Me. N avec un E, fait ne. Ne. P avec un E, fait peu. Peu. K avec un E, fait que. Que. R avec un E, fait re. Re. Good job. Wow, you are doing a great job. Keep going. S avec un E, fait se. Se. T, t, t avec un E, fait te. Te. V avec un E, fait ve. Ve. W, w, w avec un E, fait we. We. X avec un E, fait x. X. Y avec un E, fait y. Y. Z avec un E, fait z. Z. Yay! Bravo, mes amis. You went all the way to Z. Bravo. Oh, and what do we have? Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est, Anana? We have some letters here to put together, some sounds to put together. S and then And if they get closer, s, a little bit closer, s, and when they get together, they make s. Bravo, s. Good job. Oh, two more. R avec un I. R, I, R, I. Together they make ri, ri. Bravo, you're doing really great. One more. Oh, what's this one? S avec un E. A little bit closer. S, closer. S, and together make se. Se. What if we put all those three together ensemble? Cerise. 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 Do you know what word? What word are we trying to spell? Cerise? Cerise, Anana? That is one of... Oh, that's one of our words. Yay! Cerise. Can you say that? Cerise. Wow, good job. Ooh, une question. Question pour madame. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? What's in my bag? Voici mon sac, Ananas. Aha! Whoops! Other side, it says sac. Sac, sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Inside. Est-ce qu'on va regarder, Ananas? We should look. Oui, on va regarder dans le sac. Ok, Ananas, let's have a look. Dans le sac. Do you see something? Oh, why is it? Okay. What? No. Oh, Ananas, des cerises. Des cerises. Oh, these are one of my favorite snacks. Des cerises. Oh, my friends, it is time for my snack, my collation, and I'm going to have des cerises. Cerise for my collation. My friends, I had such a fun time learning how to put sounds together with you. I hope that you join us in our next lesson. Have a good day. Bonne journée. Au revoir.